if the tangent at theta to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6 root 3x minus 6y plus 20 equals to 0, then the value of theta is. So let's consider a circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, whose radius is 2 units. Let us consider the point theta, and let's write the point theta is r cos theta, r sin theta, parametric point, parametric form of a circle. So we'll write here 2 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. This is the point on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4, and there is a tangent at this point which touches another circle. Let's consider this is another circle. So let's consider this is the point Q. Tangent touches, whose center is x square plus y square minus 6 root 3 minus 6y plus 20. So here the center is minus g is minus 6 minus 3 root 3. So we can write here 3 root 3 and here 3. Center is center 3 root 3 comma 3, and radius under root of g square plus f square, that is a 3 square 9 3 is a 27, 27 plus f square is 9 minus 20, so which equals to 16 square root of 16 is 4 units. So we can say the radius is 4 units. And let's find the tangent equation at the point theta for the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So tangent equation for x square plus y square is equal to 4 at point theta. So it is nothing but x1, like x into r cos theta, we can use parametric form. X into r cos theta plus y into r sin theta minus 4 equals to 0. That is x into 2 cos theta, that is 2 cos theta x plus 2 sin theta y minus 4 equals to 0, or we can write x cos theta plus y sin theta minus 2 equals to 0. So this is the tangent equation, and this tangent equation is also a tangent for another circle, and so we can say the perpendicular distance from the center to the tangent is 4 units. So for this line equation, perpendicular distance from the point 3 root 3 to this line is 4 units. Let's use that concept. So 4 units is equal to 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 upon root over cos square theta plus sin square theta. Since I am using the perpendicular distance formula, x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Perpendicular distance formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root over a square plus b square. 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 divided by root 1. Since cos square plus sin square is 1 is equal to 4. So which we can write it as 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to, we can take it like plus and minus 4. So let's consider plus 4 here. 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 is equal to 4. So we can write 3 times of root 3 cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 6, or we can cancel here 2 times. So multiplying and dividing are dividing with 2, so we'll be getting root 3 by 2 cos theta plus 1 by 2 sin theta is equal to 1. And here we can apply the formula like sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this is like a sin pi by 3 cos theta plus cos pi by 3 sin theta, so which equals to sin a plus b, we can write sin theta plus pi by 3 is equal to 1. So 1 is nothing but sin 90 we can use, because the angle is between 0 to 90 degrees theta, so we can consider sin 90, and hence theta plus pi by 3 is equal to pi by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 6, that is 30 degrees. So we can say the value of theta is pi by 6.